I'm looking at these layers around energetic receptors. And the soul has energetic receptors. The body has energetic receptors. Your teams have energetic receptors. Your guides, ascended masters, all beings have energetic receptors in our energetic fields. And when we have a block and we can't receive, we can't absorb nutrients in the physical dimension, or we can't create, or we feel really tired, that's an indicator that our receptors are not receiving appropriately. And so when I go to a very simple process of how do you deal with that? How do you resolve that, heal that? I hear 2 steps, just 2 steps for healing the energetic receptors for the soul, the body, and the teams. And the first step is clean. And the second step is repair. And when we clean and repair, we heal. It's healed. So we could not use the word heal, and we just use the word, the energy, the vibration, clean, and then we go to repair. And you could bring in alignment, you could bring in balance, flow, but clean and repair are essential to create a healing experience. So we're going to bring in an energetic protocol to help heal the receptors by cleaning and repairing them. We invite you to take a deep breath in, holding your awareness in your divine line. We invite you, soul rider, at the level of your higher self, your body, Deva's higher self, in teams, to work with your energetic fields and the guides, to reference all of your energetic receptors in all dimensions. So you, soul rider, referencing all of your energetic receptors in your etheric field, all of the dimensions where you're expressing yourself. Body, reference all of your energetic receptors in all dimensions. Teams, reference all of your energetic receptors in all dimensions. And each one of you individually, soul rider, body, and teams, bring in your own unique color, sound, light, vibration that has the ability to clean every single energetic receptor in every single dimension where you're expressing yourself. And your silent mantra is, I am cleaning all of my energetic receptors. I am cleaning all of my energetic receptors with the appropriate vibrations, energy, which might be color, light, sound, sacred geometry, mandalas, off-world frequencies, nature frequencies, nutrients. I am cleaning all of my energetic receptors. Body, you are cleaning all of your energetic receptors using your higher self, your energetic fields. Teams are using their energetic selves to clean all of their receptors. There we go. And as you are cleaning all of your energetic receptors, when that feels complete, give yourself a moment. You might even pause. Be in the mantra, cleaning all energetic receptors, cleaning all energetic receptors, cleaning all energetic receptors, using the appropriate vibrations, cleaning all energetic receptors, using the appropriate vibrations, cleaning all energetic receptors, using the appropriate vibrations in all dimensions. Heavenly, it's quite lovely. Cleaning all energetic receptors in all dimensions. Soul rider, body, and teams. I mean, that alone is just oh. And then we go to step 2 of the healing process of inviting your higher self, your body, Deva's higher self, in teams to use your energetic fields. Each one of you individually, soul rider, you're working your receptors, your body's working its receptors, your team are working their own receptors, using the energetic fields to repair every single receptor. Repairing the receptors, repairing the receptors, repairing the receptors, using our energetic fields to repair the receptors in all dimensions, repairing the receptors. You're just in a silent mantra or out loud mantra, repairing receptors in all dimensions. And just silently or out loud be in that chant. repairing all energetic receptors, all dimensions, using appropriate vibrations, colors, frequencies, sounds, light, nutrients, vibrational nutrients of this world or other worlds appropriately for the soul, for the body, for the teams, each one of you repair in your own unique way. Repairing, balancing, aligning, repairing, balancing, aligning, or just repair, 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 Mach speed, repair, 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 repair. There we go. And then when that feels complete, but again, you might pause and just be in repair, like a minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, only repair. Then you go to balance and align, balance and align, balance and align all energetic receptors. For the light of our essence, balance and align all of our energetic receptors for the light of our essence. So you, soul writer, are balancing and aligning all of your energetic receptors for the light of your essence, so that you are able to receive the light of your essence more. This vertical alignment. Then you are clean, clear, greater resilience, greater support, greater clarity, greater connection as you balance and align. And letting yourself sit in that energy for as long as you desire. And then updating your grids, all your reference points, all ways in which you perceive. Letting that integrate. Oh. So that is a very powerful process to do, especially if you have microbial imbalances, gut biome issues, or your body can't absorb appropriate nutrients.